Imagine a world without measured time. No appointments, no minutes, no seconds. Only the sun moving across the sky. For thousands of years, humanity tracked time not with mechanical gears, but with nature's greatest light source. So, who first bent time by reading the language of shadows? This is the fascinating story of the sundial. Around 4000 BC, the Sumerians and Egyptians noticed that the shadow of a simple stick placed in the ground shifted throughout the day. The Egyptians turned this concept into massive obelisks. The day was divided between sunrise and sunset, with the shortest shadow marking noon. For the first time, humanity transformed time into a visible object. However, early sundials had a major flaw. As seasons changed, the angle of the sun shifted, causing inaccurate shadow lengths. The ancient Greeks used mathematics and geometry to create hemispherical sundials. Later, during the Middle Ages, Islamic astronomers tilted the style parallel to the Earth's axis, creating the gnomon, which displayed accurate time regardless of the season. The sundial had one major limitation. When night fell or clouds gathered, time stopped. This limitation drove humanity toward water clocks, candle clocks, and eventually mechanical gears. Yet even today, a sundial standing in a park or historical square reminds us of a fundamental truth. No matter how precisely we measure time, it remains the ultimate rhythm of the universe.